shoes. Please me after from the blue. Take me.
Lagi si Elsa ginagawa niyo.
Alam ko sino?
Art Capital yung pinaka.
Oh shit! Gagi mo. Ikaw niluto. May naman, alam. Sabihin ko pala ko. Nakabahal. Naiyak agad ako. Wala sa kanya yung umiyak. Hindi mo naman birthday. Ha? Kahapon. So, dahil ako hindi pa kami kumakain. Yeah. Nagpapit kasi kami nakakahiyak. Ayun. Dahil hindi kami nakain, hindi ko nasabi lang ang gusto ko lang sigaw sa mundo na we are very thankful to be your friend. Parang ako balo kasi hindi naman makakain. Alam mo yun, may buffet dun, may buffet doon, may buffet doon, doon, makakain sa sayo, you know. Pero ako, hindi pa ako kumakain. Panaginipan lang na yung snap na hindi pa kami kumakain. Yun lang talaga ako. Hindi naman talaga ako.
watching until the end. This video took me a long time to finish, even though it's just 8 minutes long. I actually struggled to make it at least 8 minutes. Thankfully, I found my old videos to add to this Magbalik Din Ang vlog. I've always wanted to compile these videos and upload them, but I could never find the time before, and over time they were just stuck on my SD card forever. If I had been lucky, my SD card corrupted and I lost all my record circuiter. Another thing I want to mention is that I'm sorry if I don't show my face or if I'm covering it with GIFs in the older videos I added. There's really nothing to see other than me already covering my face. I've been suffering from body dysmorphia disorder, BDD, since high school, and my BDD was a lot worse then than it is now. I don't want anyone to see that part of me. Anyway, that's all. Hope to see you in my next one. Have a nice and productive day.